Everybody loves animations, especially on websites, right? They turn still and boring-looking websites into interactive and beautiful, which is great for a user. Today I will show you how to easily create on-scroll animations using the motion package in Next.js. Right now we have that boring website that has no life in it. We need to fix it ASAP. First, install the motion package using your favorite package manager into your project. Then we need to create an animation component that will animate every children in it. Right now I will create a simple fade-in animation to make you understand how does it even work. Import motion from the motion package and place it in the div tag. Then create a variance object where we will define our animation states from hidden to visible. Of course, you can add as many states as you want. Then place the variance into motion div and set the initial animation state and the visible animation state using while in view property. Add viewport property to set if we want to trigger animation once and when we want to trigger it. You can also specify the duration of the transition and easing option. Now wrap your page content into fade and animation component and see how easy it is to implement animations into your website. You can add this component anywhere you want and animate anything you want easily. Modify your variants with many transitions like scale, transform, opacity, and more. Even enable firing the animations every time it's in view by setting once property to false. Now a little harder example. We want to create an effect of staggered letters that will appear one by one. This kind of animation requires text property passed in instead of children. Create a hidden and visible variant for a container where we will put our staggered children and delayed children properties. Then create letter variants when we will define how the letters should be animated. Map through the letters and add the letter variant into every separate letter. Now import the component somewhere into your website and here it is. And just like that, we've effortlessly integrated on-scroll animations into our Next.js application using Motion Package. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps me create more content like this. Happy coding!